In the temple city of Kanchipuram stands the sacred Kamatchi Amman temple, the heart of Shakti in Tamil Nadu. Built by the Pallavas over 1200 years ago, later enriched by Cholas and Vijayanagara kings. Goddess Kamakshi, seated in Padmasana, holds a sugarcane bow, flower arrows, and symbols of creation. The temple shines with Dravidian architecture, towering gopurams, sculpted pillars, and a sacred temple tank. Masipuram is the grandest celebration here, with chariot float festivals drawing thousands of devotees. Kanchipuram's Kamatchi Amman temple, where faith, history, and beauty unite.